Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a compatible Android phone with NFC, a verified Singapore phone number, and an active Google account. Once done, open Google Pay and sign in. Make sure Play services are up to date. Next, enable device security, PIN or fingerprint, because contactless payments require it. Then add a card. Tap Add Payment Method, photograph or enter card details, and accept bank verification steps. These are the first actionable steps, so you can tap to pay in stores right away. Once your card details are entered, the bank will require verification. Expect an OTP via SMS or an in-bank app confirmation. Complete that promptly. After verification, set a default card for contactless payments to avoid selecting each time. Then link that card to transit or stored value functions if supported, and add loyalty or transit passes so you can tap for trains and buses. Make sure to review card limits and merchant settings so payments flow smoothly during daily use. To pay in stores, unlock your phone if required and tap the NFC reader. Google Pay handles the tokenized transactions securely. For online or in-app purchases, choose Google Pay at checkout and confirm. To manage cards, open settings, update expiry, remove old cards, or change defaults. If a payment fails, first check that NFC is enabled and your phone has network access. Then confirm the card is active with your bank and try restarting the phone. If problems persist, re-add the card after removing it.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.